Why do we feel cold after sweating? Strange, right? The sun's blazing, yet your skin feels cold. That's because when your body heats up, sweat glands release tiny droplets of water onto your skin to cool you down. Now, here's the science. Our body carries heat energy. When that sweat starts to evaporate, it needs energy to turn from liquid into vapor, and it takes that energy from your body's heat. As the sweat steals your warmth, your skin temperature drops and you start feeling cold. And if there's wind blowing, that breeze helps the sweat evaporate even faster, making you feel even chiller. So, in short, sweat evaporates, takes away your body's heat, and cools you down. It's like a nature's own air conditioner. So, next time you get goosebumps after sweating, just smile and say, "Thanks, physics." Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. Learn physics with Anna for more such videos.